Good morning on Thursday morning on the 29th of October from Forex Info US. We've had some interesting developments with the Euro-US dollar pair last night. Let's have a look and see what's happened. Okay, so as anticipated, as long anticipated, it finally has breached this lower trend line that it's been following since March of this year for over 9 months. This trend line at the time of breach sitting at about 1.473, 1.4732. This breach represents a good 42 pip drop. That's a reasonable breach, however, it is not significant enough, and I am still not completely confident that we have seen the end of wave 5 within C. An alternative scenario that the breach will be reversed and it will reach up to make a new high, albeit not much higher than this. That alternative scenario cannot be completely discounted, although it remains, as at time of posting, very unlikely. Let's have a look on the hourly fractal level. And I've done something today that I don't normally do. I don't normally have a go at a wave count at this lower fractal level. However, if the wave count looks good, if it visually fits, if it meets all of the rules and guidelines, well hey, have a go, why not? So, this is a tentative wave count. So far we've got wave 1, 2 and a long extended 3. This cannot be the end of 3 because that would make this the shortest wave, and wave 3 cannot be the shortest wave. Wave 3 normally is the longest, so this is the beginning of an extended third wave. The second wave retraced to the 0.382 ratio. Usually it retraces to the 0.618 ratio. However, in this case there must be more downward pressure, which fits the wave count yet again. Wave 1, 2, again just above the 0.382 ratio. Usually wave 2 would have been expected to be higher, but however that does fit the downward pressure. Wave 3 being 3 times longer than wave 1 is a great ratio. So I am expecting today we will have at the yellow fractal level, we'll have wave 4 up. Wave 4 usually retraces the 0.382 Fibonacci ratio, so this is our most likely target for the upwards choppy move during an Asian session today. It could move higher, it could get up to the 50% or the 0.618 ratio. That is possible, but this is the most likely target. When it reaches that, it's going to turn back down for the last part, the fifth wave of wave 3 at the green fractal level. So we're looking at the yellow fractal level to move down, and if it's going to go for equality within wave 1, we would be looking at a target of 1.4681 to be a nice perfect equality if this is the point it reaches for fourth wave. Interestingly enough, let's have a look again at the daily chart. 1.4681, just around here, there's a good strong resistance level at 1.4675, just 6 pips off. So I expect it's going to tip back up to the lower Fibonacci ratio and then tip back down during the New York trading session to sit on this line here. When it's done that, we will move this blue figure down. That'll be the end of, at the blue fractal level, that'll be the end of the first wave, and we'll be seeing a good solid retracement for the second wave. Remember, second waves usually retrace 0.618 ratio, so we'll probably be moving back up to touch this trend line again before it turns down for a third wave, which is going to be the strongest and the hardest drop. Another point to note, interestingly enough, each of these last 3 drops over the last 3 days have nice clear parallel lines. So I think this is a pretty good wave count. I'm reasonably confident, but it could easily be invalidated. So we're a lot more bearish on the Euro US dollar pair today here at Forex Info USA. That major resistance point has definitely been breached. We're just going to wait for a more confident and clearer breach before we call a complete end to wave 5 within C and state with much more certainty that we were in a strong downwards trend lasting months. So that's all from us at Forex Info USA. Hope you're finding these wave counts and predictions helpful and useful. So may all of your trades be profitable today, and have a good day.